Jobs replaced by AI. Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the job market, and many jobs that were once considered safe from automation are now at risk being replaced by machines. AI has the ability to perform complex tasks and make decisions faster, more accurately than humans. It is already being used to replace jobs in a variety of industries. In this episode, we will explore some of the jobs that are at risk of being replaced by AI and how this will impact the workforce. For more episodes, please like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for notifications. Customer service representatives. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are rapidly transforming the customer service industry. With the help of natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, chatbots are becoming increasingly sophisticated in their ability to interpret customer queries and provide accurate responses. This reduces the need of customer service representatives and improves the overall customer experience by providing instant support and reducing wait time. In addition to handling basic inquiries, AI-powered chatbots can be programmed to perform more complex tasks such as processing orders, handling returns and exchanges, and making recommendations based on customer purchase history. This level of personalization can lead to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. Accountants. Artificial intelligence is already being used to automate many of the tasks traditionally performed by accountants, such as bookkeeping and financial analysts. Machine learning algorithms can analyze financial data and make predictions about future trends, reducing the need for human accountants. This trend will likely continue as technology improves, and many accounting jobs may be at risk of being replaced by AI. Journalists. With the help of artificial intelligence, the software can generate news articles and report within seconds using natural language processing and machine learning algorithms. While the quality of AI-generated content may not match that human-written content, it is improving rapidly. It has the potential to replace some of the routine tasks currently performed by journalists. Drivers. Many companies have developed and tested self-driving cars and trucks powered by artificial intelligence. With the potential to replace human drivers in the future, this could significantly impact the transportation industry, including taxi and trucks driving jobs. Insurance underwriters. AI-powered algorithms capable of analyzing large amounts of data, assess risk, and determine insurance rates have the potential to make the job of underwriters redundant. As artificial intelligence technology continues to improve, it is likely that machines will replace more underwriting jobs. Assembly line workers. The use of artificial intelligence in manufacturing is not a new concept, but the development of advanced AI-powered robots has significantly increased their capabilities. These robots can work faster and more efficiently than human workers, with higher level of precision and accuracy. Additionally, they can work around the clock without needing breaks or rests, which can increase productivity and output. AI-powered robots can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks on assembly line, from welding and painting to sorting and packaging. Consequently, this can lead to significant cost saving for companies, as they no longer need to pay for human workers or worry about a human error or injury. However, this also means that many jobs traditionally held by assembly line workers are at risk of being replaced by robots. Retail salespeople. The rise of artificial intelligence is enabling chatbots and virtual assistants to offer personalized customer support and product recommendation, leading to a reduced need for a human retail salesperson. As a result, we can expect this trend to continue with the increasing adaptation of AI-powered customer service solutions. Human resource managers. AI tools can help automate many of the routine tasks performed by human resources managers, such as recruiting, hiring, and performing evaluation. While these tools may not completely replace human HR managers, they can significantly reduce the amount of time and resources required for these tasks. The other job is data entry clerks. Data entry clerks are individuals responsible for entering and maintaining information in an electronic database or spreadsheets. However, the job can be repetitive and time-consuming, making it prone to human errors such as typos and incorrect data entry. By using artificial intelligence to automate data entry tasks, companies can save time and resources, reduce the risk of human errors, and increase the accuracy and efficiency of their operations. As a result, the demand for data entry clerks has decreased, and many companies are now using AI-powered softwares to handle these tasks instead. Bank tellers is another business that can be compromised with AI growth replacing these industries. The advent of digital banking and AI-powered chatbots has transformed the banking industry, reducing the need for human bank tellers who have traditionally handled routine transactions and customer inquiries. Customers can now access their accounts, transfer funds, and make payments online through mobile applications. While the need to visit physical bank branch, AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistant, and other customer service tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, allowing customers to interact with financial institutions naturally and conversationally. Telemarketers. With the introduction of AI-powered software, businesses can now make automated calls to customers, reducing the need for human telemarketers. These automated calls can be programmed to perform fundamental customer interaction, such as providing information about a product or service, answering frequently asked questions, or even processing orders. This has made telemarketers more efficient and cost-effective for businesses. In addition to reducing the need for human telemarketers, AI-powered chatbots can also assist in lead generation by providing potential customers with information and answering their queries. This technology can also be used to personalize the customer experience by analyzing customer data and providing targeted marketing messages. Conclusion: artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the job market, and many jobs that were once considered safe for automation are now at risk of being replaced by machines. While this may bring some benefits such as increased efficiency and reduced costs, it also raises concerns about security and impact on the workforce. Individuals and organizations must adapt to these changes and find new ways to stay relevant in the rapidly evolving job market. That's all for today's episode. If you have any questions about this episode, feel free to write it in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and give this episode a thumbs up. It will help the algorithm to promote our channel. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode.